Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Vlogs. Hi, I'm your host Jayton, and just a quick note that I'm not a financial advisor. At the time of recording this video, Safemoon is skyrocketing. It's gone parabolic, absolutely insane. It's been pumping and pumping, and oh boy, it was up 87% just before I began recording this video, which is absolutely amazing. It's phenomenal, to say the least. By the way, Safemoon is on more watch lists than Bitcoin. Oh yeah, I mean, more people are now looking into Safemoon even over Bitcoin, which is great because this could potentially lead to more folks investing into Safemoon and the project itself. Great. And they're also been massively trending on Twitter right now. The Safemoon army are on a march forward, full throttle, and there's no looking back for them, it seems. You know, it's great. So it's exciting times for all the Safemoon holders out there. Guess part of the excitement also stems from the introduction of the new Safemoon wallet and its features, which include simplify transactions by saving your regular contacts within the Safemoon wallet. It also includes a 10-second hold to cancel feature, which is great. It also has an integrated smart calculator, which helps calculate your millions and billions of coins with accurate results. Furthermore, they've gone ahead and been listed on 8 new exchanges, which is again awesome, and a progressive step. And this just goes to show how seriously the team behind Safemoon are taking this project and progressively achieving their goals and objectives and targets, and are striding to hit massive heights. For those of you who panic sold, but in my opinion, that was the wrong call. But yet again, I'm not a financial advisor. This could be still early days. You never know. But the flip side to this is, again, the holders benefited from those who sold out. So, another great time to be a Safemoon holder. It's been great. So a mighty thumbs up to all those holders out there. I'm sure even at this stage, some of you holders may be considering taking out some profits. Hey, why not? It's fair game. Just because I feel this is just the start of the Safemoon bull run. Yeah, and so super exciting times for all the holders up ahead. Please also bear in mind that Safemoon is still a new project. Yes, it's fairly new. I mean, 8th of March, if I'm not mistaken, is when it launched. So 2 months, barely 2 months old, and look at the progress they're making. I mean, I recall the first AMA and I was not impressed, but after that, the folks have been amazing, very professional. They've gone about answering all the questions that the holders or speculators have had, with accuracy. They've been on point. They are working their way on the roadmap as they suggested. They haven't dilly-dallied. They haven't gone astray. They've only progressed. There's no regression here, and the progress is it's massive. I mean, in the sense that they are actually, in my opinion, they're not just meeting expectations. They're actually even exceeding expectations, which is great, for a project this new. And it's commendable, especially when you look at the Safemoon community too. The faith they have, the trust they have in this project, the way they're pushing forward, the awareness they're bringing on social media platforms about Safecoin, the project itself, the tokenomics behind it. It's great. Safemoon also just hit 1.6 million holders, which for a project this early is amazing. I mean, the most frequently asked question I get thrown my way with regards to Safemoon is, will it hit the $1 mark by the end of the year? Hey, who knows? Anything's possible in this crypto space. I mean, it's crazy out here, you know. Anything could happen. You know, for me, it's all about how quick we can get those zeros burning, you know. And we nearly managed to, or will manage to knock off another zero, hopefully by the end of me having finished and wrapped up this video. You know, but just imagine, for example, say within the month, and this is hypothetical, Binance was to list Safemoon. I mean, can you imagine how many zeros that would knock off straight up, and the impact it would have? I mean, that would be amazing. I mean, massive for Safemoon. I think this is what we're all eagerly actually anticipating and waiting for. The Binance listing. The sooner it happens, you will see confidence levels rise even higher. People who haven't yet invested in Safemoon, who are sitting on the fence, will take it more seriously. And everybody would want a chunk of the gains and the profits and to get in. So, because as we're all aware, once a coin gets listed on Binance, majority of altcoins go 100x straight up anyway. Majority of them. You can look it up for yourselves. So these are great times for Safemoon, for the holders, the community as a whole. And I remember one of my first videos was a review on Safemoon. So if any of you viewers out there who might be interested in Safemoon, I'll put in the link below, and when you have time, just go through it. It's a review on Safemoon, the tokenomics, how they're going to go about it, the roadmap, the white paper. And for those of you who now might be interested in wanting to acquire the Safemoon coins, wanting to invest, but don't know how to go about it, I'll also put in a link below. There are easy, simple steps on how to go about purchasing the Safemoon tokens. Hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope to bring you more crypto content, more technical analysis, the newly launched coins, the uptrends, the bulls and bears, the works basically. Thank you for your time. I'm now going to sign out. Ciao for now.